What's up, everybody? Stock investing and stock market predictions. S&P 500 dropped 2.71% on October 10. So over the past 5 days, S&P 500 dropped 2.69%. Nasdaq dropped 3.56% on October 10. Dow Jones dropped 1.9% on October 10. Within 1 day, it dropped like crazy. Look at this. So what happened? It's because US-China tariff war started to happen again. President Trump said he will impose 100% tariff on China, right? It's because China restrict their rare earth materials to everybody all over the world. Why did China restrict it? China restricted just like US restrict export of semiconductor chips, right? So it's the same. So stock market was red, right? You might think everybody lost money. No, there are some people who make money. Who? Like world traveling, stock investor and option trader like Master Rich and his students. They made money. So look at this on October 10. So I made over 3,000 just 1 day, right? Let's look at October 8 to October 10. Just 1 day. Over the 3 days. Let's look at October 8 to October 10. So I made around 13,000. So you just divided by 3 days. So I made over 4,000 within 1 day. That's pretty good. Let's look at October 1st to October 10, 8 trading days. Sundays are public holidays, right? So only 8 trading days I made over 16,000. So it's about more than 2,000 a day. So compared to last month, September 1st to September 30th, right? 20 trading days, 1 month, I made over 20,000. So basically this month is getting better. Why? It's because education and knowledge. The more knowledge you have, the more money you will make, right? And the more education you have, the more you will make as well. So experience matters. So start right now. The best time to start stock investing, option trading was yesterday. The second best time is today, right now. Okay, welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Today we're going to talk about what happened to the stock market last week, and also what happened to the stock market, what could happen to the stock market this coming week. And there are 8 companies that's going to be reported earnings. So we're going to look at those companies and see which ones I like the most. So okay, US, the last week, basically a Federal Reserve President, they talk about it. Yeah, there was no data available because of the government shutdown, right? Trade deficit not available. There was a minute by FOMC, so there will be more cuts coming in. So that's why stock market went up on Wednesday. And Thursday, Jerome Powell spoke about it. There are more cuts coming, which is good news for the stock market. And Friday, the stock market dropped because of US-China trade war. So yeah, consumer sentiment was better than expected. Look at this, 23.5 compared to 55. Look at this. That's pretty good. Really good. And which stock reported earnings last week? Constellation Brand, right? Constellation Brand. So it did not change so much. Nothing interesting. Next one is AEH. Yeah, it dropped 22.95%, which is the reason why I don't usually like to invest in company like this. I talked about it in the last week video. You can go check it out in the YouTube live session. So next one, MKC. Yeah, it dropped. Nothing exciting. ACC, look at this, it dropped 9.76%. Hey, Richardson Electronics, it jumped because of earnings. VSET did not change so much. It wanted to go up, then it went down. PEP, it went up 5.86%. Friday, it also went up 3.71% because of tariff war, right? When people are afraid, basically they don't want to hold technology stock, chip stock. They sell almost everything, but except for recession-proof companies, stock like passive. So that's why it went up on Friday, and the past 5 days it went up. So let's see. And next one gonna be DAL, Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines, the past 5 days it did not change. It wanted to go up there, but then after that it dropped. The T-Ray, I told you before, right? The pot cannabis companies are getting hot again. So it jumped over 20%, but then it dropped on Friday because of tariff war, right? Then 18.1%. But it could go back up again, right? If I make a trade, I will inform my patrons, right? So we can put this in a watch list. This week, Columbus holiday tomorrow, but stock market is open, bond market is closed. Then federal governors, they're gonna speak about it, but I don't think it's gonna change anything. But see, Wednesday the same. Thursday's core PPI data's not gonna be available because of government shutdown. So nothing interesting unless government opens tomorrow, which is not likely. Okay, Friday, the data not gonna be available. So yeah, data's not gonna move the market, but all eyes will be on President Trump's tweet, U.S.-China tariff war. So what do you think? Do you think it could be over pretty soon, or do you think it's gonna continue more? So comment down below. Let's look at stock. Okay, JP Morgan Chase year to date is up 25.37%. 5 year it beat S&P 500. Financials are performing much better right now. You know, because of deregulations and stuff like that. 5 year it beat S&P 500. Do I like this? Yeah, I like this. If it drops, maybe I will enter JP Morgan. But I like this better. Goldman Sachs, stock number 7, 32.94% is up year to date. 5 year it beat S&P 500. Yeah, I like Goldman Sachs better. Right? It beat S&P 500. It meets my other criteria, except for criteria number 4. I do not really so much like banking, so that's the only downside. But if it gets cheap enough, something happen, financial crisis, I may like to get back in financial. Stock number 6, BlackRock. BlackRock year to date up at 11.3%. I like this company even though it doesn't beat S&P 500. I have my own reason for liking it. Okay, so BlackRock, yeah, they are like monopoly, like ETF, stuff like that. It's also another one. Stock number 5, Citigroup, up 34.3%. 5 year it beat S&P 500. Oh, S&P, let's look at S&P 500. The past 5 year, 88.08. Nasdaq, 90%. Dow Jones 59%. So yeah, if it's more than 90%, so it beat both S&P and Nasdaq. So yeah, Citigroup, not really into Citigroup. BSE year to date up 9.84%. 5 year 100%. I'm not really into BSE either. Stock number 3, I like this. Okay, Morgan Stanley year to date 21.7%. 5 year, hey, it beat S&P 500 for sure. Easily, right? 2.63% dividend yield. Don't really care so much about dividend, but then not bad. Stock number 2, TSM. It's been really hot. Okay, the past 6 months is up 90%. 1 month it's up 8.23%. The past 5 days it dropped because of tariff. Okay, Friday it dropped 6.41%. But it will be interesting to see if it beat their expectation, investor expectation. Now it's a more than 1 trillion companies. So I like this company. It beat S&P 500. Warren Buffett also owns this company. Okay. So next one gonna be American Express. American Express year to date is up 5.97%. 5-year, it easily beat S&P 500. Okay, it easily beat S&P 500. It's a credit card plus banking company. And do I like this business? Criteria number one, it beat S&P 500. Yeah, it meets my first criteria. Criteria number two, has it been in business for at least 10 years? American Express was founded on March 18, 1850. Yeah, it meets my second criteria. That criteria, basically, has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Yes, it has been a public company for a long time. Number four, do I like this business? I like credit card, okay, business. But even though I may not like banking so much, it has credit card portion. That portion, I like it, okay? Number five, do I like its financial statement, balance sheet, cash flow? Have they been going up? Yes, they have been going up. So it meets 5 of my 5 criteria. Banking is an exception. So, but if it gets cheap enough, I will buy. So which stock do I like the most? Say American Express, TSM, yes. Morgan Stanley, yes. BlackRock, yes. Goldman Sachs, yes. JP Morgan, yes. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 or 6 company. Right? If I have to remove one, I may just remove JP Morgan. Okay, just Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, TSM, and American Express. Yeah. So which stock do you like the most? And let's see. Year to date, S&P 500 stay up and then 1.65%. Nasdaq 15.16%. Dow Jones 7.18%. Yep. So October could be a month for pullback, but that pullback is possibly good for strong November and December. Remember, stock market doesn't move up all the time. It just goes down, up. So pullback correction is totally normal, nothing strange. So don't worry about it. Right? If I own great companies, this is not a financial advice. If I own great companies, what would I tell the beginner, me? I would say, don't panic. Don't need to sell any great companies, right? Do not borrow margins. Do not trade on margins. Make sure you cut down margin when the stock market is crashing. Make sure you are the first one to get out if you are on margin. Okay? Other than that, if there's no margin, there's nothing to be worried about. Holding the stock, great companies gonna prove better during the crash. And also, I will DCA. DCA great companies that I haven't got a chance to buy. I will just DCA. If you want to learn more, go to Master Rich, Stock Option Crypto. Go to playlist. You can check out my stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option, and day trading movement stock, and gold investing and other financial education. If you want to reach out to me, the link will be in the YouTube description comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next